All right, hello Miss Gia's class. Welcome to one of your math videos for today, Monday, April 20th. Now, you guys already know addition and subtraction, and you're very good at addition and subtraction. So we're going to take the base, or the things you know, and we're going to add some more things to learn. Now, this is not going to be more difficult. It's just changing the way you think about addition. Okay, so don't worry, we're going to go through very slowly and I will give you lots of examples and practice. And then, if you have questions, you can ask me tomorrow in Zoom. Today, we are going to talk about addition word problems. So we are going to take the information from a word problem and make a number sentence from our word problem. Now, let's get started. We have number 1. Let's read it out loud. There are 6 students in Miss Gia's class and 7 students in Miss Krista's class. How many students are in year 2 all together? First thing I want to show you, friends, is this word, all together. We know that this means addition because think about it. All together. When we imagine a group together, we are putting everyone mixed. So we're not talking about 2 different groups. And we're not eliminating people from the group. We are putting everyone in the same group. So we have Miss Gia's class and we have Miss Krista's class. And we want to combine or put them all together so they are one big group. We need to add to see how many people will be in this group. Okay, let's see. The information from this word problem is Miss Gia has 6 students. And Miss Krista has 7 students. Okay, so we need to combine these 2, put them together. How can we make a number sentence that puts these 2 numbers together? Addition. We must add these numbers. Okay, so it's going to be 6 plus 7 equals, what does that equal? You guys know this. 6 plus 7 is 13. Good. But we are not done. We have, yes, it's true, we have our number sentence, but we also have to make a regular sentence because this is a word problem. So we go back. How many students are in year 2 all together? We have to write our answer with words. So we say, there are 13 students. That is our full final answer. There are 13 students. Because that way we give the number, the final answer, and we tell them what we are counting. Because if you just say there are 13 what? 13 goldfish? 13 teachers? So we need to say there are 13 students, period. Okay, let's look at number 2. Miss Gia's class had 15 marbles in the jar before we left school. They now have 10 more. How many marbles will be in the jar? Here is another important word for our additions. This group here where it says a number like 10 and then more. So anytime you see a number more, we know that we are going to add or use addition. Because we have the group, the 15 marbles in our jar, and we are going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more into the jar. So we have to add 15 plus the 10 more marbles. Let's write a number sentence for this one. What do you guys think it will look like? How many marbles are we starting with? That's right, we're starting with 15. And how many more marbles are we putting in? That's right, we are putting in 10 more marbles. Well, you guys know this. Come on, 15 plus 10? That's right, it is 25. Are we done? Is that it? We just wrote our number sentence? No, we also need a real sentence. Okay. How many marbles will be in the jar? We'll say there will be 25 what? 25 lemons? 25 tigers? No, there will be 25 marbles. Good. Now we're using will be. We don't say there are because I don't have the jar. So it will be in the future when we go back to school. So we say there will be 25 marbles. But I bet there will be more marbles because we're not done with Zoom classes and you guys get marbles in your Zoom classes. So I think there will be more than 25 marbles when we get back to school. We'll do a word problem to figure it out when we get back. Okay, now let's look at number 3 and read it together. Lois has 38 Pokemon cards. Oh wow, so many cards. Sean has 6 Pokemon cards. If Sean gives all of his cards to Lois, how many Pokemon cards will Lois have? So here Sean is giving all of his cards to Lois. That is the important part. So we know that we have to combine or we have to mix Lois's cards, her 38 Pokemon cards, and the new cards that Sean gives her. And that gives us our total. Our total. This is a very important word in addition. The total. Because it means everything together. The total. So you're combining, you're mixing, you are uniting the two groups. Lois's cards and the cards that Sean gives her. Now, you can count on your fingers for this. That's fine. Maybe you know the math fact off the top of your head. But I'm going to use a number line just in case. I want to make sure. So what do I start with? What number starts my number line here? That's right. We're starting with 38 because that is how many cards she has. Lois has 38. And how many jumps do I have to do on my number line in addition? Right, I have to do 6 because that's how many cards Sean is giving to Lois. So let's jump 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's write the numbers that come next. It's addition, so we are going up. And we're going up by 1. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44. Very good counting. Okay, so this is our answer. But are we done? Is that it? No, we have to write our sentence. So we say Lois will have 44 cards. Oh, my C looks like an E. Let's fix that. No, and I erased my A. Well, that's okay. C A, oh my goodness. All right, it's a little messy, but you guys can read it, right? So there is our sentence with our full stop. Lois will have 44 cards. Okay, friends, we're going to do one where you have to find the answer, and then we will check it together. So, let's see this problem. If there are 43 bananas in a box, and Catherine puts 4 more bananas inside, how many bananas are in the box? Well, I see our famous number plus more. So we know we have to use addition. We have to add. The rest is up to you guys. I want you to find the answer, and I want you to write the full sentence answer. Okay, so you can use a number line, you can put a number sentence, you can count on your fingers, but the important thing is you get the answer and then you write the sentence to answer the question. How many bananas are in the box? I'll give you 1 minute. All right? Okay, friends. If you're not done, pause the video. It's okay. If you're done, let's go through it. I'm going to start with my number line. So I have 43. And how many hops do I have to do? That's right. I have to do 4 hops because there are 4 more. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I just count up by 1 because, well, it's addition. So 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. 47. Now, if you made a number sentence, maybe, does it look like this? 43, because that is what we start with. And then we're adding 4 more. And then, what was your answer? Did you see that 3 plus 4 equals 7? And then we have our tens, and so it's 47. Great. And now, did you just finish right there? Or did you write your sentence? I hope you wrote the sentence, because these are word problems. We need to use words to explain our answer. So we have to say, there are 47. Man, my handwriting is getting so messy. 47 bananas. If you want to be really fancy, guys, you could say there are 47 bananas in the box. But it's not necessary. If you want, you can say there are 47 bananas or just 47 bananas in the box. You decide. The important thing is to make sure you take your final answer. You have to take your final answer and you have to put it into a sentence. That is the important part of word problems. Now, you guys have lots of practice with this for today. Do your best. If you're confused, let me know tomorrow in Zoom and we can talk about it. All right? So, I will see you tomorrow. I'm very excited. Take care, everybody. Bye.